Hello friends, welcome to Flavorful Food channel. My name is Mustafa. Along with the support of my wife and family, we bring to you Flavorful Food channel. Today we are going to make a very simple and easy dish which is liked by young and old alike. I wish my mother had made this dish for me, but now when I make it for my grandchildren, they love it. I am using a ready-made paratha with 5 everyday kitchen ingredients easily available. To know what these 5 flavorful simple ingredients are, please watch the video till the end and let me know how many of you get all correct in the comments below. So follow till the end. So first I will roast the paratha till it is crispy. I have already used the first ingredient while roasting the paratha. The balance 4 I shall use now. Please use a very small pinch of this ingredient, not more. Please use a very small pinch of this ingredient, not more. This is the 5th ingredient and your tasty flavorful paratha is ready. You can enjoy this dish in the morning for breakfast with a hot cup of tea or coffee or your favorite beverage. You can also have it any time of the day when you feel hungry. Hope you like this flavorful simple recipe. Please like, subscribe and share this video. We shall be bringing a lot of new recipe videos shortly. So please hang in with us. Love you guys and see you next time.